Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered how profitable the world of fodder farming can be, specifically with Boma Rhodes and Lucerne seeds? Welcome to a journey into the heart of agriculture, where the grass is not just greener, but also more lucrative. Fodder farming, a cornerstone of agriculture, is a dynamic field that's ripe with potential. It's where crops like Boma Rhodes and Lucerne seeds take the spotlight. These two high-value crops are more than just your average grass and legume. They're power-packed sources of nutrition for livestock, and they're game changers in the world of farming. With their unique characteristics and high market value, they're paving the way for a new era in fodder farming. So let's dive in, shall we? Let's unravel the mysteries of these crops, their market trends, their growth requirements, and their potential to bolster your agricultural output and earnings. In the next few minutes, we will explore the exciting world of these two high-value crops. Starting with Boma Rhodes grass, a popular fodder crop in many farming regions. This grass is a perennial, known for its remarkable resilience and ability to produce high yields. It has a bright green color and grows in tufts, making it easily recognizable. What makes Boma Rhodes grass special is its high protein content and the fact that it's highly palatable to livestock, making it an excellent choice for fodder. Boma Rhodes can grow in a wide range of climates, from the semi-arid regions to the high-altitude areas, making it a versatile choice for farmers across the globe. It thrives in areas with an annual rainfall of between 500 to 2,500 millimeters. However, it's important to note that this grass prefers well-drained soils and can struggle in waterlogged conditions. In terms of soil requirements, Boma Rhodes grass is quite flexible. It can prosper in a variety of soil types, from sandy to clay soils. However, it performs best in loamy soils with a pH range between 5 and 6.5. This means it's not too picky about the acidity or alkalinity of the soil, providing yet another reason for its widespread popularity among farmers. One thing to keep in mind is that Boma Rhodes grass requires a good amount of sunlight for optimal growth. It's not a shade-tolerant plant, so it's best to plant it in open areas where it can receive plenty of sun. In summary, Boma Rhodes grass is a robust and versatile fodder crop that can thrive in a wide range of climatic conditions and soil types. Its high protein content and palatability make it a favorite among livestock, and its resilience makes it a reliable choice for farmers. Now that we have an understanding of Boma Rhodes, let's move to our next crop, Lucerne. Lucerne, also known as alfalfa, is another key player in the fodder market. This perennial crop, native to warmer climates, is a powerhouse when it comes to nutritional content. It's packed with protein, fiber, and a wide range of essential vitamins and minerals, making it a top-tier choice for livestock feed. So what makes Lucerne so special? Well, it's all in the roots. Lucerne has an extensive root system that can penetrate deep into the soil, sometimes up to 15 feet. This allows the plant to access nutrients and moisture that other crops can't reach, making it resilient in dry conditions. It's a hardy crop that can withstand temperature variations and still produce high yields. But the benefits of Lucerne don't stop at being drought-resistant. This crop is also a fantastic soil improver. Thanks to its deep roots, Lucerne has a knack for mining the subsoil for nutrients. When the plant dies back, these nutrients are released back into the topsoil, enriching it for future crops. This is a win-win situation for farmers, as it not only provides nutritious fodder, but also promotes soil health. The nutritional content of Lucerne is another major selling point. It's high in protein, which is essential for the growth and production of livestock. It's also loaded with vitamins such as A, E, and K, and minerals like calcium and potassium. This means that feeding your livestock Lucerne can lead to healthier animals and, in turn, higher quality meat and dairy products. Lucerne also has the advantage of being a perennial crop. This means it can be harvested multiple times a year, providing a constant supply of nutritious fodder. Plus, it's a favorite among pollinators, so growing Lucerne could also help to boost local bee populations and biodiversity. In conclusion, Lucerne seeds offer a myriad of benefits for farmers, from improving soil health to providing high-quality feed for livestock. It's a crop that packs a punch, proving that good things really do come in small packages. With a clear understanding of these crops, let's delve into the market dynamics. The market value of these seeds is influenced by a variety of factors. Now let's take a moment to understand the current market trends and pricing. The demand for Boma Rhodes and Lucerne seeds has seen a steady increase. Why, you ask? Well, it's largely due to their high nutritional value and adaptability to various climatic conditions. These factors make them a top choice for farmers looking to boost their livestock's health and productivity. The price, on the other hand, is influenced by supply and demand dynamics. During periods of high demand and low supply, prices tend to spike. Conversely, when supply is plentiful, prices may dip. Other factors influencing the market include weather patterns affecting crop yield and advancements in farming technology that increase seed production. It's an intricate dance between these elements that determines the market value and demand for these seeds. Knowing the market is crucial, but let's not forget about the benefits of growing these crops. Growing Boma Rhodes and Lucerne can be more profitable than you might think. The economic benefits of these crops are tangible when you consider the cost of cultivation versus the returns on investment. Let's first consider Boma Rhodes. This grass is a favorite among farmers, thanks to its resilience and high yield. The cost of cultivating Boma Rhodes is relatively low. It requires minimal inputs, such as fertilizers and pesticides, and thrives in a variety of soil types. Yet, it delivers a high yield, making it a cost-effective choice for fodder farming. Now let's turn our attention to Lucerne. This superplant is known for its high nutritional value, making it a premium fodder crop. While Lucerne may require a slightly higher investment in terms of irrigation and soil preparation, its returns are well worth it. With its high protein content, Lucerne fetches a higher market price compared to other fodder crops. So, how do we maximize these benefits? The answer lies in best farming practices. For Boma Rhodes, it's all about timely planting and harvesting. Plant the seeds at the onset of the rainy season and harvest when the grass is about knee-high. This ensures optimal growth and yield. For Lucerne, the key is in seed selection and soil preparation. Choose high-quality seeds and prepare the soil well to ensure a good stand. Lucerne should be cut for hay when the first flowers appear, as this is when the nutritional content is at its peak. Now let's look at profitability. The costs involved in cultivation include the purchase of seeds, soil preparation, irrigation, and pest control. But with the high market demand and price for Boma Rhodes and Lucerne, the profit margins are substantial. A well-managed farm can expect a significant return on investment, making fodder farming a worthwhile venture. With these insights, you are well equipped to venture into fodder farming. The future of fodder farming holds exciting possibilities. We're witnessing an era where technology is revolutionizing traditional farming practices. From drone technology that aids in efficient planting and monitoring of Boma Rhodes and Lucerne crops, to precision farming techniques that maximize yields and reduce wastage, the future of fodder farming is set to be more efficient and profitable. Looking at market predictions, demand for high-quality fodder like Boma Rhodes and Lucerne seeds is expected to rise. This is thanks to an increasing global livestock population, which requires nutritious feed for optimal growth and productivity. Moreover, climate-smart farming practices are becoming more prevalent. These techniques focus on improving crop resilience to changing weather patterns, ensuring consistent yields and returns. In the next decade, we can anticipate a surge in agri-tech innovations aimed at boosting productivity, reducing labor costs, and increasing profitability for fodder farmers. As we look to the future, remember to stay informed and adaptable. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding Boma Rhodes and Lucerne seeds to analyzing their profitability. We've delved into the world of fodder farming, painting a picture of the enormous potential that lies within these two high-value crops. We've learned about the unique characteristics of Boma Rhodes grass and the immense nutritional benefits of Lucerne seeds. We discussed the current market trends and the promising profitability of these crops. We've also highlighted the best farming practices for optimal yield and shared some insights into the future trends in fodder farming. In essence, Boma Rhodes and Lucerne seeds are not just crops. They are opportunities for growth, prosperity, and sustainability. So as we wrap up, consider this. Could fodder farming be your next big venture? Could these seeds be the keys to unlock your agricultural success? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more agricultural insights. Until next time, happy farming.